How's it going, everyone? Jay here with LMR.com. In today's video, we'll be going over a quick breakdown of removing the Panhard bar for all 2005 to 14 S197 Mustangs. Replacing the Panhard bar is a common practice in the Mustang community. This removal video will give you the proper knowledge of taking the old worn-out unit out to either upgrade or go back in with the stock replacement. We're going to show you this procedure on an S197 Mustang. Some of the tools you will need are going to be a lift or a jack and jack stands, a complete socket set, a 3/8 or 1/2 inch impact, and some assorted pry bars. Place the car in a lift or jack stands and get it as high as possible. Locate the Panhard bar on the rear end and remove the 18mm bolt from the driver's side first. Once this is free, you can remove the other 18mm bolt on the passenger side. Both of these bolts will be equipped with a speed nut on each end, so there will be no need for a wrench on the backside to remove these. Now you can fully remove the Panhard bar. Take this time to inspect your chassis and all associated bushings to see if anything needs to be replaced. At this time, the removal process will be complete, and you can go back in with either a factory replacement or an upgraded Panhard bar to stiffen up your chassis. Reverse the removal steps to install the new Panhard bar. For those of you that have lowered your vehicle, check out the link in the description below to show you how to properly adjust your Panhard bar. After installing the new bar, one thing to look for would be interference between the bar and the differential cover. With the many different aftermarket designs and options of Panhard bars and diff covers on the market, this can happen from time to time. If you do run across this, make sure to check out the Panhard bar relocation brackets in the link below. Alright everybody, we hope this video has helped you have a better understanding of how to remove the Panhard bar from your S197 Mustang. Overall, this one should roughly take you about 30 minutes to complete. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to our channel if you have not already, and turn on notifications to keep you up to date with any new tech info we release. As you already know, make sure to keep it here with the real Mustang enthusiasts at LMR.com.